Well, welcome back, everybody, to Bears Rod Shop, January the 17th, here on a Sunday afternoon. And I've gotten a little bit further along with the project for Bell's Machine Shop, Mr. Steve. And we had already laid this out, you saw, where I had put it on. And now this part is finished. And of course, here's where he started in Oregon in 2020, around the 1st of June, and across the United States, all the way across. And I'm not going to label every state, it'd just be too time consuming and too much detail. I did color in the Great Lakes up here so we can get at least the three Great Lakes in. And then when he finished in Virginia on the East Coast. And then that TAT with the little bike up there, that is the logo, the Ride GPS, but that's the Trans American Tour 2020. I did not realize how hard this cedar was. I guess I could have steamed it, made it a lot more pristine. But I think he's going to love this. And I wish this was over here, because then that would be part of Cuba. Maybe right in there. But there's a big old fault and islands. That knot just happened to work out. And then let's move over here. Flip the United States facing each other. Same thing. 2021, the one he's going to take this year. And again, the Great Lakes are colored in. At the last minute, I checked his email. He is now going to pick up, we'll go to that in just a second, but he's going to leave here. It shows Dallas on the map, but he's leaving Aledo, Texas, going across New Mexico, Arizona to Santa Monica, California, and then Santa Monica, California back in and going across the panhandle of Texas and up through, that would be, guess Kansas. We'll have to look at a map. But I tried to get that line burning a lot deeper and ending in Chicago. And I used tung oil. And apparently I didn't let that paint dry quite enough. So I'm going to have to fix that blemish. I'm going to use a brass-headed nail and cut it short and then put that in. It's going to end up being yellow because after Steve sent me an extended route, they're going to leave Chicago and go to New York City. Now, this is one big trip, especially on a bicycle. So it's over 3 months he'll be on tour riding. Let's see if we can go over here real quick. Got some kind of decent temperatures today. And here's the blocks, the ends, and the centerpiece all in tung oil. They're going to get another coat tomorrow. Started to put them on. And they'll be ready for second and final coat and a little light sanding and then installation. Got all the dowels, 6 of them done this afternoon. And so that will absolutely not only wear good, but it keeps some of the machine oil off. Please, again, thumbs up, subscribe. Hope Steve enjoys this oil bottle holder for his lathe. He is one great machinist, and anyhow, he's inspired me, and I don't know, I'm taking a little bit too long on this project, but love it. Come back and visit. See us at Bears Rod Shop. Please share and comment.